Hey y'all, I wanted to share a quick demonstration of the window washing capabilities with this Steam Shot OmniReach because I knew that was something I was curious about, was how well it worked on the windows. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. It's got the little cup you can fill up with the exact amount of water, and that makes it super convenient. I love that it comes with that little pitcher. So fill it up, you're going to go ahead and put your attachment on, and this is what it looks like. You can see this actually attaches to the piece that you use for upholstery as well. So you just click these two pieces together and it is super easy to do. You just line it up there. Then you're going to go ahead and lock it into place on the steamer. And you can see the little groove there where you press it in and then twist it. And that helps keep it locked in place. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you can see it lights up. Once it's ready, the light turns off. See how grubby my windows are? This is because I have 2 toddlers and 3 dogs, and my kids are constantly leaving fingerprints and everything on this window. This is a glass door onto our deck. So I wanted to show you how grubby it is, and then this is my first time using it. I wanted you to see exactly how it works from the start. So show you in a couple different areas here. It's super easy to use. You just press back on that piece there, and look at how clean this is coming. I used a cloth just to wipe up some of the excess liquid, but I was so surprised and shocked by how clean this glass door came. I would say it definitely works well. Check it out.